Lost shipping container videos are everywhere right now, and they're getting millions of views. Take a look at this Instagram page. They grew to over 28,000 followers just by posting this type of content. Some of their videos have already hit 2.8 million, 3.3 million, and even 1 million views, and they're still growing. Now let me show you how I made a video like this with AI in only 2 minutes. First, open the prompts file linked in the description, copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will give you a bunch of lost shipping container video ideas. Pick the one you like best and send it back in the same chat. Next, copy the scene prompt from the file and paste it below your chosen idea. Hit enter again, and ChatGPT will create 5 detailed prompts, one for each scene of your video. Everything is already written and ready to use. Now take the prompt for scene 1 and open Google Flow. Click on video, choose your model, paste in the prompt, and generate the video. In just a few seconds, your first scene will be ready. Then copy the scene 2, prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the next clip. Keep doing the same thing for the rest of the scenes until your whole video is finished. Once you've generated all the clips, download them and import everything into your favorite video editor. Put the clips in order, make any final adjustments, and your video is ready to upload. That's it. If you want more viral AI content ideas, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.